Hi guys, I'm Varun and today we're going to be doing a dessert, an Indian dessert, keeping up with the whole festive season that is around the corner. We're going to be doing a fresh rasmalai made from scratch at home, and we're going to be flavoring it with some blueberry and some rose. So you're going to get a very nice pale lavender colored rasmalai. So let's check out this recipe. The blueberry fresh rasmalai that we just made here, and if you want to flavor it with any kind of fruit or berries, be my guest, try it out, do share your results with me. I would love to see them. Thanks a lot.